What I'm about to show you is something most men never understand about female attraction. They think attraction comes from effort or from external things like money and looks. That's why they keep getting ignored. Attraction forms around a few psychological pressure points in her mind that quietly determine how she perceives you. In this video, I'll break down 5 female weaknesses that instinctively shape her attraction towards you. And once you understand them, attraction becomes effortless. Number 1, the man with an independent internal life. Most men make women the center of their emotional life, waiting for replies, waiting for plans, waiting for validation. Their mood moves based on interaction, but a man with a strong internal life operates differently. His focus is already engaged with purpose, goals, passions, movement. He's not performatively busy, he's internally occupied. And this creates a psychological effect women feel immediately: scarcity of attention. Not forced scarcity, natural scarcity. When your attention isn't constantly available, it becomes valuable because people instinctively value what exists independently of them. If your life revolves around her, she feels pressure. If your life revolves around purpose, she feels curiosity, and curiosity is the seed of attraction. 2, the man that is unaffected by her tests. Now let's talk about something most men experience but few understand: what people call tests. These aren't calculated traps, they're instinctive emotional checks. Moments where she introduces slight tension to read your stability. It might be teasing, a sarcastic remark, a challenge to your confidence, or a subtle attempt to see if you become reactive. She's not testing your words, she's observing your emotional composure. Does your tone change? Do you become defensive? Do you rush to explain yourself? Most men fail here, not because they say the wrong thing, but because their internal state shifts. A man who remains unaffected communicates emotional security. He doesn't react, he doesn't overcorrect, he doesn't chase approval. He stays grounded in himself. And that emotional steadiness is deeply attractive because it signals that her emotional fluctuations don't control your center. 3, social proof. Attraction doesn't always begin between two people. Sometimes it begins through observation. Women pay attention to how other women respond to you, not consciously but subconsciously. If other women seem comfortable around you, engaged with you, emotionally responsive to you, or she feels they find you attractive, it signals something powerful. You've already been validated socially. This reduces perceived risk and increases intrigue because attraction often follows perceived desirability. This is raw female nature. When women see others responding positively to you, curiosity forms before conversation even begins. You become pre-selected in her perception, and pre-selection accelerates attraction. 4, grounded masculinity. This next weakness operates beneath behavior. It's energetic. Masculinity isn't loud. It's not you being a macho man. It's not performative confidence. It's emotional gravity. A grounded man moves calmly, speaks deliberately, and doesn't rush to impress. He doesn't overreact to emotional shifts. His presence feels centered, and that centeredness creates polarity. Women are drawn to emotional grounding because it feels stabilizing. It creates both safety and tension at the same time. He doesn't try to lead, yet leadership is felt. He doesn't try to control, yet emotional control is evident. This kind of masculinity isn't built through tactics, it's built through self-certainty, and women respond to it instinctively. 5, calm disagreement. This one is overlooked. Many men believe agreement builds attraction, so they soften opinions, avoid tension, and align themselves with whatever she says. They are afraid to disagree because they fear she will get mad and lose interest. But attraction doesn't grow in agreement, it grows in polarity. When you disagree calmly, you communicate something deeper than confidence: self-trust. You're not seeking harmony at the cost of authenticity. You're comfortable holding your frame even if she sees things differently. This doesn't mean arguing, and it doesn't mean being difficult. It means remaining grounded in your perspective without emotional volatility. Women don't lose attraction when a man disagrees. They lose attraction when he needs agreement to feel secure. Calm disagreement signals independence, and independence fuels attraction. None of these weaknesses operate logically, they operate instinctively. Most men try to build attraction through effort without realizing attraction is responding to emotional signals long before effort appears. When you carry these traits, something shifts. You stop chasing attraction, and attraction begins orienting itself toward you. Because what women respond to most isn't what you do for them, it's who you are without them. This is the High Value Mastery. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more content, and I'll see you in the next one.